Known for its bright indigo color, Clitoria Ternatea or Butterfly Pea makes a strikingly vibrant color tea that is known to promote vitality and healthy aging. Butterfly Pea is not only pleasing to the eye, but is considered a natural remedy for an impressive range of health complaints. In today's video, we'll look at the top 14 benefits of this remarkable plant, its side effects, contraindications, and how to prepare the tea. Coming up. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Flavonoids, anthocyanins and phenolic compounds in butterfly pea flowers promote antioxidant activity, which help decrease oxidative stress caused by disease and free radicals. Flavonoids are particularly powerful antioxidants that also act as anti-inflammatory agents. 2. It relieves asthma symptoms. Allergy reactions could be the trigger of asthma. Studies have demonstrated the anti-asthmatic effects of butterfly pea and its potential to treat this condition. The flower extract has been shown to act as an expectorant and reduce the irritation of respiratory organs. 3. It's an antimicrobial and antiviral. According to studies in India, butterfly pea exhibited antimicrobial effects against Staphylococcus aureus. Moreover, this plant is one of the few that contains cyclotide, a peptide that possesses anti-HIV effects. It also has anti-tumor properties and causes cancer cell death by disrupting cell membrane integrity. 4. It's an antipyretic. Clitoria Ternatea can help reduce fever by dilating blood vessels right beneath the skin, whereby air increases blood flow and cools the body down more easily. One study found that the methanol extract led to significant reduction in normal and elevated body temperature in albino rats. The effect extended up to 5 hours after administration. The study suggested that the antipyretic effect of the extract was comparable to that of paracetamol, a medication commonly prescribed for fever. 5. It's beneficial for stress and depression. Butterfly pea has a calming effect on the body, reducing stress and anxiety as it relaxes vascular muscle and aids blood flow. It can also be used as a moderate antidepressant. One study on rats with stress-induced ulcers observed that the flower extract was able to reduce the impact of stress. Interestingly, it has been proved useful in treating epilepsy as it reduces the severity of stress on the body from convulsions. Higher doses of the plant extract are also thought to be adaptogenic. 6. It's a natural pain reliever. Clitoria Ternatea offers analgesic effects and has been traditionally used as a local anesthetic to help relieve pain and swelling. It mimics effects similar to that of painkillers. The extracts of butterfly pea were demonstrated in human and animal studies to be as effective as paracetamol to treat inflammation, pain and fever. It has also been used for headaches, lower back pain and pelvic pain. 7. It's an aphrodisiac. Clitoria Ternatea is most known for its benefits for female health. Nature often provides solutions that grow literally in the shape that represents its purpose. The shape of the flowers of butterfly pea was believed to resemble the female genitals, hence the name Clitoria. Noted as being an aphrodisiac, many claim that this plant has the ability to improve sexual desire in women. 8. It regulates menstruation. This plant has not only been traditionally used as an aphrodisiac for women, but also to treat reproductive issues such as menstruation problems, PCOS or vaginal discharge that is accompanied by an offensive odor, irritation, itching or inflammation. Asian women must have known how great this plant is in helping them deal with irregular period issue. Because it acts as an all-natural paracetamol, this beautiful flower is also used to manage menstrual pain. 9. It stimulates hair growth and skin rejuvenation. Rich in bioflavonoids, the blue butterfly flower can promote hair growth and reduce graying of hair. In ancient Thai medicine, this plant has been used for centuries to treat male pattern baldness and premature graying. Another key ingredient is anthocyanin, which increases blood flow to the scalp and fortifies hair follicles. The antioxidants stimulate collagen and elastin production, helping to rejuvenate the skin, reduce wrinkles and other signs of aging skin. 10. It improves eyesight. Clitoria Ternatea contains proanthocyanidin, an antioxidant which increases blood flow to the capillaries, allowing the eyes to adjust to changes in light and improve vision. The flowers have been shown useful in preventing and treating cataracts and glaucoma, correcting blurred vision, reversing retinal damage and tired eyes. 11. It's a natural nootropic. Nootropics are known to enhance cognitive functions, including enhanced memory in the hippocampus via the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which is vital for communications within the brain. Acetylcholine decreases significantly as we age. Butterfly pea has been found to stimulate acetylcholine production, boosting cognitive and brain function. Some studies in India support this claim as they found that it improves acetylcholine levels. Researchers also observed improved memory and enhanced cognitive ability from consuming the powder extract. 12. It supports heart health. Clitoria Ternatea has the ability to lower triglycerides and total cholesterol to a similar extent as other medications, according to a hyperlipidemia study. Both the seed and root extract were found to reduce triglycerides, however only the root was able to reduce total cholesterol, suggesting the plant may have some positive effects on cardiovascular health. The findings also revealed that butterfly pea has significant anti-hyperlipidemic effects when combined with the herb Vigna mango. 13. It's a natural aid in treating diabetes. One of the remarkable health benefits of Clitoria Ternatea is its ability to inhibit the absorption of sugar in diabetic patients. One study found that both the leaf and flower extract exhibit anti-hyperglycemic effects in rats with induced diabetes. The treatment shows a decrease in blood glucose levels, as well as keeping them stable within a normal range without leading to hypoglycemia. 14. It lowers hypertension. Clitoria Ternatea has been traditionally used as a diuretic as it promotes urination and decreases blood volume, hence lowering hypertension. There are also suggestions that this diuretic effect aids quick but typically temporary weight loss. Side effects, contraindications, and how to prepare the tea. Studies assessing oral toxicity of doses up to 3,000 mg per kilo did not observe any significant toxicity in butterfly pea. However, it is generally recommended for pregnant and breastfeeding women to avoid consumption. Make sure to consult with your healthcare practitioner before using this plant if you're taking diabetes medication, as the combination of both could lead to hypoglycemia. To make tea from butterfly pea, simply steep fresh or dried petals of 5 to 10 flowers in a cup of hot water, then let them brew for 15 minutes. When there's no color left in the petals, strain the tea and discard the flowers. You will be left with an amazing indigo colored brew. Apart from its mesmerizing color, what sets this beverage apart is its extraordinary ability to change color with a changing pH. Just adding a few drops of lemon juice transforms the indigo blue tea into the most magnificent deep blue color and creates a sweet and sour flavor. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.